Stop scrolling if you want the cheapest Hostinger deal available right now. Seriously, don't waste time testing random promo codes that don't even work anymore. The link in the description takes you straight to the real discount page where everything is already applied for you. Now here's why this deal is so good. Hostinger makes building a website ridiculously easy. Whether it's a blog, portfolio, or full online store, you get a clean dashboard, one-click WordPress setup, and even an AI builder to do most of the work for you. Plus, they include free SSL and backups, stuff other platforms charge extra for. Here's exactly what you should do. Click the link, choose the premium plan, and select the 48-month option. That's the sweet spot. When you get to checkout, you'll see an extra discount automatically applied on top of the existing offer. That's where the real savings kick in. Your monthly price drops super low, and you lock it in for 4 years. And don't worry, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try everything with zero risk. If you're serious about getting the best price, hit the link in the description now before this deal disappears.